Hey everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of package I received. It's the first one I've done in a while. I haven't gotten a package in like a week and a half. It's been a long time. So let me get this open. Okay, the bottom was not taped. Interesting. Makes it easier for me though. Okay. You see here. So we got the Enforcer. Let me get this light on. Hold on a second. Much better. Got the Enforcer here. Humvee. Rockster. Super Nat. This one was a good one. This is the Chevy Impala. This is a rare one. This one's hard to find from what I've gathered, from what people have said. Stingrod. Quarter-mile coupe. This is a Walmart exclusive. This is the Walmart only color that was released in 2010 of the Pontiac Firebird TA. Asphalt Assault. Super Tsunami. Hypermite. Hot Wheels 40. Jet Threat 4. Circle Tracker. A Slide Out. Airy 8. Fangster. The last four here. There's nothing else in here. Quarter-mile coupe again in green. Bad Mudder 2. Surf Crate. And the last one, which is the Shell Shock. All right, there you guys. Have a good day.